In this video, I'm going to be going over my kitchen. I'm going to be going over what I did right, did wrong. Also, I'm going to break down the cost of everything that I did. So, hope you guys like the design. I bought this house in March and it is now November. So, it's been a long time of me renovating. I did a complete gut, and the cost that you see probably on the cover, that's including everything, guys. The flooring, the ceiling, the lights on the ceiling. Pendant lights are still coming, so I'm going to have lights coming over the island. But that cost includes absolutely everything. The appliances, the faucet, everything you see here. But first, I'm going to tell you why I designed the kitchen the way I designed it. So basically, this is going to be a rental, and what you want to do when you start designing a kitchen is you want to think about the cost and what it's going to cost to, make this an L-shaped kitchen, which initially I was going to do, but I figured out that corner cabinets are a lot of money. It was going to cost a lot of money to take out this door, make it a window, try to find the same exact brick on the outside, to patch it together and make it look clean. And then, of course, because that door is missing, I would then have to make another exterior door. The closer you stick with the original design, the less money it's going to cost. And how I designed it was I actually went on IKEA's website. They have a free template where you can have a blank canvas, you can build your kitchen to the exact dimensions, you can then get an idea of what you want. So that's a good free way if you don't want to pay some, a general contractor to design your kitchen for you. You can design it yourself. It does take a little bit to get used to everything, but it just makes you feel so much more comfortable when you can actually build it and see different options and all that stuff. So that's where I started. So yeah, why I designed it like this is because it was kind of close to the original layout of the kitchen. It's a smaller kitchen, just basically straight across the wall here with an island. And being it's a smaller kitchen, that's why I decided not to put the microwave where most people put the microwave. Most people put the microwave right above their stove. But as you can see, I don't have a lot of counter space here. This gap is pretty small, so it would feel so condensed and just not as aesthetic as if I put the microwave in the island. Now, more and more people are doing this. Being that I've had this for now 3-4 months, I love it on the island. It's super functional, looks amazing, and I definitely wouldn't trade doing that. So that's a good tip for you guys. Anybody with a smaller kitchen, this is called a microwave trim kit. That actually took me a while to figure out what this was actually called, because I was like, what do you just, throw a microwave in there? It's not that simple. You have to get a microwave trim kit that actually frames the microwave in to make it look super clean. And guys, let me know in the comments how you like this kitchen. There's, some things I might change, but overall, I think it turned out pretty good with having no experience in it. And I went with the white because it's pretty universal. Everyone likes white. And being that these cabinets are finished in kind of a gloss finish, they're super easy to clean. But let's get into the costs. So the cabinets, you're not going to believe this, guys. The cabinets cost $3,000. That is it. Basically, I was getting these quotes, and I think the lowest one was like $6,000. I was getting $6,000, $10,000, $12,000, and I was like, how am I going to fit this into my remodel budget? Then I was thinking about going IKEA, and I think it was around $4,800 or $5,000. But then I came across a company called Nelson's Cabinetry. They're out of Texas, and they're by far the cheapest cabinets that I found. So everything you see here is $3,000. I think I did get a 10% discount or something like that, because what I do, guys, is I tell everyone I'm buying materials from that I'm a contractor. I go, yeah, this is Rockwell LLC, and 9 times out of 10, guys, they don't question it. They're like, oh, you're a contractor, we give you the contracting price, which is 10-20% off. So if you do that every time with materials, it really adds up. But anyway, guys, Nelson's Cabinetry, check those guys out. They're great. They're out of Texas. So the cabinet install was about $1,500. I actually helped my contractor, that's why it was so cheap. But $1,500 to build the island, put all the cabinets up, so $1,500. Backsplash, materials and labor, $500. I really like how this backsplash turned out. I did something different. Originally, I was gonna go subway tile, but I think it turned out pretty good. Let me know what you guys think. Appliances, this is where I saved big. Appliances, everything you see here, $1,500. So the stove, I got this for under $200 on OfferUp. So it's a used stove. Originally $600, I got it for like $150. Dishwasher, same thing. I got it for $200. It looks great. Stainless steel, along with the fridge. The fridge is my favorite appliance. This thing is badass. It's a company called Electrolux. And I actually looked up reviews. The reviews are kind of iffy, kind of mid-range. I got it for $800 on OfferUp. Brand new, it's $3,200 and it looks brand new. So if you guys live close to a city, like I live close to Phoenix, you can get on, Facebook Marketplace, OfferUp, and you can find appliances so cheap. If you don't mind them, being a year or two old, which they're gonna be a year or two old in a year anyway, why not get appliances for a fraction of the price? So the microwave is the only appliance that I got new. The trim kit and the microwave together were $329. Everything added up, it's right around 1,500 bucks. Now the countertops were pretty expensive. Unfortunately, the way I designed it, I had to get 2 slabs. So if you can, think ahead, make sure you get all the measurements down so that you only need 1 slab. Each slab was 800 bucks, which is a pretty good price for, I think, this great looking countertop that I got. I got quartz, which in my research was like the lowest maintenance countertop you can get. Granite takes a little bit more maintenance. Quartz countertops look great. 800 bucks, 2 slabs, so that's 1,600 bucks. Then another 1,000 for them to fabricate it and for them to put it in. So bam, 2,600 for the countertops. So one thing that I did change about this kitchen is the sink used to be right here. And I don't know why, I just really wanted a sink on the island so that when you're doing the dishes, you can be, socializing and all that stuff. And I just think it's a great look, super functional. So really like the kitchen on the island, but I had to break the foundation, run some water lines and some drain lines to get this sink functional. So to run all the water lines, the drain lines, and re-pour some of the concrete, that was 1,500 bucks. And I estimated about 200 bucks in just a little bit of electrical work that I had my buddy Ray do. So electrical, plumbing, 1,700 bucks. Now lighting, I absolutely love the recessed lighting in my house. If you're redoing a kitchen, it's a must to get recessed lighting. It's really not that expensive. I just put it in a category of $700 between the recessed lighting and the flooring. I put this flooring in throughout the whole entire house. So this section, along with the recessed lighting, is right around 700 bucks. So I added another $1,000 to this just to make sure that I wasn't, forgetting anything. Things like, the hardware, the water filtration system, and I can't even think about what else. I put down $1,000 just in random costs. So if you guys are getting quotes of $20,000, $30,000, $40,000 for your kitchens, really start thinking about how you can cut down the cost. There is a few things that I did myself, like the demoing, helping my contractor friend put in the cabinets, wheeling and dealing on OfferUp. There's a lot of ways you guys can save money on your kitchen if you put in a little bit of work. So that's it, guys. I hope you liked the video. I hope you like how I designed the kitchen, all the colors that I picked, the hardware. I'm gonna be doing a ton of renovation videos on my whole entire house because that's literally what I've been doing for 4 or 5 months. That's why I haven't been posting on YouTube as much. But thanks for watching. This channel is about my Jeep, renovations, fitness, really anything going on in my life. So give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys next time.